Hey folks, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to effectively recall your dog back to you. This can be helpful when you're, for example, walking your dog off leash. And for this training you will need a long leash. So for the first step, using the long leash, let your dog walk a bit away from you. When your dog is distracted, call your dog's name. If your dog doesn't come to you at first, you can gently give a small pull on the leash. When your dog then comes to you, ask it to sit and of course reward it. Yes, oh well, this can also happen. Some dogs may see it as playing with the leash. In this situation, simply ignore your dog and stand completely still. You can even turn your back to your dog, because out of boredom, and since you're not engaging in the play, your dog will eventually stop. The method I used here is holding her collar. This way I prevent her from biting the leash. Do you remember step 1? Yes, this is what you have to repeat again and again. But a very important detail here is not to give a treat every time, because then your dog will only come to you for the treat. Your dog also needs to learn to come without always expect a reward. A good tip is that when you go for a walk with your dog in, for example, the woods, and you want to train recall of leash, let your dog know in the beginning of the walk, while it's still on leash, that you have some delicious treats with you. This will make the recall training easier. Filming this tutorial was kind of a challenge. A lot of bloopers were made, so I thought I'd keep them in the video because, yeah, they were pretty entertaining to watch.
Die kop voor jou!
Oh well, that's well enough. See you guys in the next tutorial.